So for the camera control, and our conference controller supports two camera control protocol, and users can directly connect a single camera through 232 or 485 methods and connect multiple cameras through a camera checking controller. The PC software is required to set up the camera, and the latest controller works with the PC software to support camera tracking of wired unit and wireless microphone. And for camera connection and configuration, 485 mode users can directly connect the camera 485 port on the back of the controller to the port 3 and 4 of the camera, and operate the protocol camera through the steps of conference preparation of the PC software, camera control. After finishing off all of these settings, the corresponding preset precision, save this, and save the preset precision of all the unit machines in turn. Then edit the panoramic position and save it. You must follow in this order. Users can invoke the preset precision to check whether it is correct, and can turn on and off the microphone to check whether the grading mechanism of the camera is correct. So, as the same for the 232 mode, users can directly connect the control system interface of the conference controller using 232 serial cable of the camera. In this way, they can operate the camera like the 422 mode. Connect the control system interface to the control interface of the camera tracking controller through the 232 cable, and connect to the TR and TR port of the camera net of the tracking controller to the 3 and 4 ports of the camera. In this way, you can control camera with VESA PAL-D protocol as above. Okay, so here we're going to show you about how to use the camera control in our conference system software. And for the first step, we have to enter into the software, and we have to click this gear icon first, and then we have to enter the IP address of our conference host. And then we can test whether it is connected or not. And then we returned, and the account and the password is also admit. Then after we enter in the software, and the first thing we have to do is go to the system configuration. We have to open the use camera, these functions. And after that, we'll need to open our meeting room layout. We'll have to scan all of our microphones inside the software. Now I have connected 3 microphones in the system, so we'll scan just 3 microphones in here, and then we saved. And after that, we can go to the camera manager. And in the camera manager, as you can see in here, for the protocol, we support these 2 protocols. So if your camera supports these 2 protocols, you can connect it in our conference host or in our central control system. And so for the settings, we'll have to select from the video channel. We can select the camera 1, camera 2, camera 3. When we select this camera 1, and then we just pick up one position. When we pick up this, you can see it's preset, it will be changed. So now we select the first position, and then we'll have to select the related microphone. So for normally, we'll select the first one, and then we convert. And then in here you can move the camera. Also with the zoom in, zoom out, focus, and the aperture. And after that, you can click this saved to save the camera's position into related with these delegate units. And after we set all of these 3 microphones, and for the last one, and so for the last position, which is the number 4 position in here, we'll have to select this to be the panoramic position. For the panoramic position, it must be on the in the last one. And also for the camera connection and configuration, users can directly connect the camera by 485 Pro. So now is the effect of the camera checking system. For now, I have already set the position of all of the microphone and also with the panoramic positions. So now when I click this speak button, the camera will automatically check to the delegate units, just like this. When I press, the camera will focus on the delegate 1. When I cancel it, it will go back to the panoramic position. And here is the microphone 2. And now here is the microphone 3. When I cancel, it will automatically go back to the panoramic position. And also, when you have the microphone 1 doing the speaking, you press the number 2 microphone and it will automatically check the last one. So for the fire alarm, by short circling the 2 signal pins of the alarm output, which is like this, on the back of the conference controller, stimulating sending a fire alarm signal to the controller. The touch screen of the conference controller and the unit device are shielded, and other functions cannot be used. When the signal pin of this interface detects that the fire alarm is cancelled, the circuit is opened. It will automatically return to normal.